Hey everybody, Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich at WCNC Charlotte. Well, we're getting ready for an active end to the week. We had a great end to the weekend and start of the week as actually we had cooler temperatures. I know it was cloudy on Sunday, but it felt great to get a break from the heat and humidity. Unfortunately, the heat and humidity are back today, and the chance of storms will be back tomorrow. Let's talk about the overall pattern. We're kind of sandwiched between a couple of things going on. First things first, we've got a cold front to our north, but then to the south, you could see down in the Gulf Coast states, really near the Florida Panhandle, we do have a little swirl. An area of low pressure is developed down there, and there is a low-end chance that this could develop into something tropically. Whether it does in the next 2 days, 3 days, 4 days is kind of uncertain, and it probably doesn't really matter if anything develops because it's all going to be about heavy rain down in that area. Let me show you the forecast down there for the probability of formation over the next 5 days. You see the area in yellow. That includes right now about a 30% to 40% chance that something develops down in that region. But that's actually not the primary focus for showers and storms for us. It's going to be this cold front, which will be sweeping in from the northwest tomorrow. And once it gets down here, it's going to stall over the southeast and give us a chance for heavy rain over the next couple of days. In fact, if we start looking at some of the severe weather outlooks over the next couple of days, we could see severe weather outlook to our north along that front. And then tomorrow, you'll see the severe weather outlook over us, kind of over the Carolinas into Georgia. That's as the front gets down here and kind of stalls. And then if we go out to day 3, which is actually going to be Thursday, you could still see along that front the potential for maybe some severe weather along that front. That's not only the threat. We're going to see the risk for flash flooding as well with this as it moves down. So let's get into that future cast and how much rain and storms we could see over the next couple of days. So we'll start today with our future cast. You can see through time, we'll see the showers and storms kind of along the front to the north and along low pressure over the Gulf Coast. But as we go through time, you'll see that front get very active just to our north. There's that front moving down. So that's why there's a severe weather risk today. But then tomorrow, as the front gets closer to the Carolinas, you'll see that the risk for storms will develop along the front as we go into the afternoon. So this is 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Look at the storms that develop, especially in the mountains and foothills. Now, there is a little bit of an influence from this, I would say, low pressure system over the Gulf Coast down there. You actually could see that some of the moisture down here starts to get drawn up into the cold front. So it's not that that system in the Gulf isn't going to directly impact us, but some of the indirect impacts of the moisture are going to be felt. But you can see this is Wednesday afternoon, 4 o'clock. You see the showers and storms. That's going to be some heavy rain. So that's certainly going to be pockets of rain that we're going to see across the area on Wednesday into Thursday. And you can see this could linger into the end of the week because once that front gets here, it kind of gets stuck. So even as we go into Thursday and Friday, we're going to have the chance for passing showers and storms. So if we look at what we call the excessive rainfall outlook over the southeast, you can see that low risk there. Tomorrow, we'll be under that low risk for most of the Carolinas, and the same story as we go into Thursday. So we're going to have a couple days of very heavy rain. Now, 7-day rainfall totals are ranging anywhere from 1 to 4 inches over the Carolinas. So potentially some significantly heavy rain, especially on top of the rain we just saw, which means the potential for flash flooding is going to be with us. So the severe threat's there, but I would tell you the heavy rain threat is going to be the much bigger risk.